to buy a mohu. Now, a bedroom baby, you better catch a gun for some moonlight tax because we have paid taxes that are in public, some other private pockets. No one says can from the woman. Yes. I don't know, some of your buying. Now, and confirm where you seek a more way. Don Mahama, one of the countries say PDS or Bobby. I was saying, until not Gabby to the program, now a buy when park or program, Nasi. Comfortably. Gabby, as I wrote the darko, comfort to Botomi Balawo. To wash him in a miserable. I don't know, miserable. PDS, I know my Fosica. Prepared scanner, a chair, and fire now, or more Tessican or Force on one tea. And Yantigan and your mama now the catch a gun for say or Bobby. Now, but deal drastically with it. One more money in Ghana, and now they have found their moral right. They have moral right to discuss politics. Ghana. Politics, Ghana. I don't know how many people. Honestly, there is too much pain. I'm telling you, there is too much pain. Yes. Oh, there are people who don't know who they are, and it pains. This opportunity of the whole world. Do you know how Trump really understood God for the second chance? And yeah, easy. Say Yankopon ebe fasa akonia sawe so ama wo bia hwe de we na John Muhammad di John Muhammad no akwa ti say at the time bia eni kwan say obi ati biem enya hwe de nyame ayewo wo go watamfo ani mu ase further push them down because Yankopon ba Yesu Kristo kro wo chiaba politics ne no enya strategy say a stratagem how to outwit your opponent. That is the key word. Stratagem and the we are say. How can MPP find their voices in this country? Say na ye kasa MPP need me kabi. Akwonfo we mutimi bi o manu kabi. I'm a boy for with this form am boy for ye kasa odwemu a mutimi bi o manu kabi. May protest against John Mahama. Adey why dey? Oma dey. Adwuma de omo ye. Okay. But me start here free baby amenia and very well. On say me de krata akosi yenyi randi abedi. Menti omonka. Na masem nyina ne say enye si yenyi na di no na me de. What ma say? Mitio. Baby amenia di si yi. Ene me target. Sir Nkrofobi go so tete positions no. Sebi senka ye Jáil obi ma ne tena baabi a wote se wonye na adwuma enka sesi enka bo ahe edu na da so ye kokobod CEO otuma se on se o mampani o ka sembi new year yi meni na nya adwen asemme no se ye wo MPP aba MPP eni MPP eni MPP Ghana and you want NDC Ghana. Say NDC Ghana ni woman. No nyadwen. The etemuni MPP Ghana. MPP Ghana because MPP na na di ade. Etemu boni e koso nyina ye ntimi fa meka NDC ho. No nyadwen. Say NDC bibi e koso bia NDC. Yes. Enti say bibi boni koso ayo de be say NDC yanka say MPP ne NDC for na akabu maye entime meni o mampani nyadwen say eni MPP Ghana ne MPP. He wants to preach a certain element of togetherness, but you say onya sumbie ba bia emra nya adwuma entino you say peace and justice no one must come first. Wherever there is justice, there is peace. You can't find peace before justice. There be my justice in near moon. No be who say, oh, there is a justice system that we all look up to. Say, bibi boni bi kosukra wo memu. Obi abeti ya to say there will be a just system. Ebema ye nyina ya ye hwe. I'll use the cocoa board example. Okay. When we call hono Momo no mo ye adwuma nyina MPP for. Yes, and you see you because MPP there, then there is no need having Randy there. There's no need. Omo ma say adie no, and how do you know your argument? How do you expect any change? Ebio, Uba ya omo bone no. Why na odi na kose? Uba ka che say odi ya omo koyoko, o oboa enye no kre. Onu aba we ka say wo makomo ye odi omo koyoko, omo ya auditing. Ewei, 1 year ni. Ewei. No kre no say kwa ye auditing anke ye no kre no. Co finance Cocoa board finance. Omo nyina apart from 1 or 2 persons be. Omo ya MPP for. Enunti na bo anye duba. Ono nya adwuma Cocoa board da. Sense Randy Abe, ni secretary oni ne ya adwuma bo anye du secretary a. Na oni ne ya adwuma. E na oda so no ne ya adwuma. Ada na John Mahama onfa Akufo Addo secretary ne adwuma. Adwuma ne wo foma body ni bebre. Sense se John Mahama say ye ni MPP Ghana. Yeni NDC Ghana, yeni CPP Ghana, yeni Obia. Onko fe Akufo Addo driver man driver no. No. No onko fe Akufo Addo driver. No driver no. Eno dey ye. Na NDC Ghana. No kura mo mi enka. Because people won fa ho nche da. E dey no won fa nya John Mahama Ghana. To the extent say you see John Mahama Airbus inti. Ye fa John Mahama konko sen edua so. Neyman na ye sen dua no yenkuno Airbus a woni ho hwe de ne anka fa John Mahama ho Ghana ha etu ye politics a enye nyame som enya Kristo som ene ye ba be ye wa ha no ba be gina be preacher to me say ye will be ono enemies of the state we nom wo be ka chem say me ni omo ento kese ne omo mu kwa mani ya ka be omo mani du ye no na ka ba ye nka wo to aso anka be anka ye du ekenye eni anini omo yo man na tanfo bibi e ko so ohun omo dani anuma kone omo ko etifia ko hu nsuo no na omo ba na afo asa bebusa ohun miracle aboagene nam ewuram na mo NDC fo yetumu fo mo ntie mo so den ti se prego mo so den omo so dene mo nko na mo ni na mesompa John Mahama onu nko na ye Kristo ni oni mbone on pe bone on ya won pese be boli di wo boni bia mu na be de no ma na koso so we ya Jáil ye di udi ni be to anim se obi adi awu na wo ka se o mi de mi na mi sum timi mfa ne nko afiase na Jáil udi ni se won ko na wiase a obesa kokun obi am yesa de na ba wani eti am in protest dia ko so na time o mi so kokoko board obi no betimi aka che me say Ghana hanum enya no krese institution dia ye NDC for caucus e dey MPP for caucus MPP for the omo ba no omo NDC for ni nyina di no mo nko fa ya adwuma no mo dia nko ba ya o de o si da bi omo ye Ghana for when ka cho say NDC for the omo ye Burkina base eti enye suba papa. And I'm calling on all NDC for who protesting against it. It's wrong. And yeah, the papa say what ba mu na wo wa ban wo ho na wo da so ya kwa e wo wu ma mu na wo mu happy before ni hu na wo sere mu I am wrong. And yes, I'm going to tell Mama say Uncle Kwaku for the driver man me drive no Uncle fa Akufo the secretary o pegana o president na kabom Akufo the secretary na the secretary o ni chief of staff edi Uncle Kwaku for the chief of staff na the chief of staff from up pare fie wa bukura wa wupi ni ani Julius nko tena fie I am wrong. So whatever has happened at the presidency must replicate down there. Munyo are there more human beings than the NDC for Nana? Yeah, most of some fonso. Can you do MPP for Indianti or more estates or more case do so statiaba. Omo can omo launch Bawumia Eco Thanksgiving. Omo de bonum na, omo de bonum acquire the team I said ye saso kete.
na pampa so apa kwakodu na hai the friend is Zafina Pania Nicolas Omania champion or the Bonum said do so aba because omu ni so omu MPP for omu ECG a ombe dun kania. That's it. Ada na mu kwa na mu ni na mesom. Ada na mu tete amafo sa. Na friend don't in a private no issue statement. Who issue statement for what? Muni kwafo na di muni mo na ekoba muni mo. Enya sa mo sabotaging mama mu bebo amane. Afa na radio na mo o yi na ni ho ano. O cheche se mu na ma kire hwan. Wo ba anya no mo na ya adwuma. Apart from kwafo ya wo susu se wo mo ye MP for no. Me ma example too. Obi a wo say sa cocoa board ya mo cocoa rehabilitation 350 million omo sa ko parliament akodi 700 million enya sa no na ma woka company na omo man sa contract na went ni anye no wo ba enya sa company na no World Bank 100 million na ma no so sa anye okay na wo be ka che na yeden omo ye omo enemies. NDC is their own enemies. They should stop complaining and omo just omo tete no any time. You know the problem. Why would you solve it? Penny no call in the office no. John Mahama call in the office no. All call no the driver call ye. Were you the chief of staff? Were you the secretary? Yeah. Yeah. Were you in and call for no more year juma ho? I don't know now ye penny no. I would the execution in Antiano. Were you in call for di? No one find people for uncle ho now no. Adie. No call. One point we say kokotra koko board. One only MPP for na ye ejuma. Wabe NDC kokos wo ho. Adeti na mo yesa. ECG sa. Same thing. ECG be bia be ko bia sa. Now NTB before do mo ni pa cha NDC for. For mo di meter. Etia wo bia no asa ko dina so NDC ni Samedi we china mo ko campaign. No ba de no obedi. Di sa credit and ko photo ana e cost ni ade ni ni. Sabotage. Sabotage or Maseda MPP for no omo pa by wedding money because omo who say buy not now for 1 year without a scandal. And o Maseda bo mutiri po say ko for mu yengu o mani mu ase where Dumso under John Mahama was an orchestrated thing. Sure. Yeah. It was a sabotage, a political sabotage. It is over announced say Dumso is over no masa kwa mu say miem munyire mu Akufo Addo na say chire. No obi o timi ka tie doctor for say munko strike mani pe mu nipa. O timi ka tie doctor srebo abu emwa no say munko strike mani pe mu. Nipa mu me ko kan ya me the doctor for the court okay. Na John Mahama the president 2015. Say John Miko share no Afrikiko. Na woni srebo no mti ho. Ye meeting 3 days after and omo strike and ma minua ba akua fie Yankopon fa the currency. Okwa awo so wa mabiem ena me de ho am metie de omo call court enu ti na doctor phone timi court enko strike biem no Akufo Addo na se akire mun kona ni panu wamu ye nipa oni omo timi tra se omo ye Ghana fronti MPP NDC o mra nya adwuma ye koto aba no den wan ka se MPP for ni Ghana NDC for ni ye pentinum mum ye koto aba ni John Mahama ada na akofa NDC for na do mo ye campaign. I am wrong. They can't say to Mama say it is wrong. And now I'm some I am wrong. Sure. And we say the part uma and you say what treat in your man. Now go proba Jesus Christ to crack your bow sorry them. Now we are when say John Mama one years omo yepe. Chiabana bunipa ebi ne say MPP for the boni awa ja omo na omo na ho omo say the boni na ba soa wo no. Cocoa board a very typical example. Because they say una ma radio be na ma okesa na o ma diska obi diska o da so ni na ho cocoa price we reduction we buy ya MPP for Dennis Miracle Aboagye ene Richard Ahiagbamu wo mo sase o mo kasa no ana me kai say 2024 Bawumia encounter with the media no obi be say question. Yes. Edifa or hawa ewo cocoa board ama Bawumia ka say oni no onyawe otimi kasa it's not a community sa wo hawo ya na ebubo ba ni sase ate ego kan ya gbe yi lady anga Bawumia kan ya fast won ko community na Kwabena Agyapong campaign wo sika ye ya so ya dia bro se fa ko campaign no wo kwa akwati ya to say problem ho koken asmo ba ye mohu na ebedu baby ni ebeka che Ghana for say munya tax tua because we have paid taxes that are in public some other private pockets no kwati say can from bebu man no yes ana na mo ya yi mu say mo ya aban na enkonfo wi yesika amwo ya we John Mahama wa na meka nche say PDS obo ba hwe akosi sen ya ntem na Gabby timiye program na aban we mu nipa akwa program na se comfortably Gabby asare otchere darko konfo tutuboto mi balawo to bo asino mi na misero ana na mentu bebo misero PDS enye o ma fo sika prepared scanner ye tua ye na o mo fa ye na o mo sika no fo so no wante enya nyanti Ghana na John Mahama na be kache Ghana for say oba hwehwem na oba deal drastically with it one more money nam Ghana ha ama enya omu they have found their moral right they have moral right to discuss politics e Ghana ha politics Ghana ha ada na mumani pa oya shenkrofo mu honestly there is too much pain I'm telling you there is too much pain nyaka say no ni eti kwanya John Mahama be ye na amafo dwene ho obi ani say John Mahama oye adwuma dada obi ani say oni madwuma oh there are people who don't know who they are and it pains Yankopon had this opportunity of John Mahama share the whole world din so obi benya bisa do you know how Trump really understood God for the second chance? And yeah, easy. Say Yankopon ebe fasa akonia sawe so ama wo bia hwe de we na John Mahama di John Mahama no akwa ti say at the time bia eni kwan say obi ati biem enya hwe de nyame ayewo wo go watamfo ani mu ase further push them down because Yankopon ba Yesu Kristo kro wo chiaba politics ne no. And your strategy, say a stratagem. How to outwit your opponent. That is the key word. Stratagem. And the TV I say. How can MPP find their voices in this country? Say, na kasa MPP need to me kabi. Akwonfo we mutimi bi o ma no kabi. I'm a boy for with this form a boy for ye kasa odwemu a mutimi bi o ma no kabi. All because father for all. How? Please mesan aba ho listen na kusi poko no na otunze hit gina mu ono ampa nka obedu a Wednesday se de directive de ba say ye nhye fugu no obeba no bom ene o se de be oye protest because what the petition akoma mampani say ye mpa mu koko board CEO ayo Randiabe ebi se wokotena ho na adwuma oye nsuani woni MPP fo bi a wo ka ho makoko board asai woni o mo na guso eye adwuma no eni nti ne wo ye protest de no owie ye no kura no si economy se ne dollar ya ye ne ho keka ho nyina kamfua no owie ye wasati abedwaku a omo be boa owura Ato Forson ne eye Dr. Siama Bank of Ghana say after so mo ye gold board a Sammy Gyamfi da no a atimi aboa so ye chi aye yensi achi ba ama yan kwa hu hiemu se ka koku asemi ba ye nka ehfa ne ye kwa ko piskef ni nyina achi no ati abedwaku se omo san for omo nyansa ne omo nimde meboa na aban no na economy na ye kura ye fi se aya waya ade no kura no onye ma ne nye no kana ye ho ha ye yie okay se ne be ya sabi de ye funu dia ne omen sanete na nipa so se odidi me wi na afei de aka ne dia aye se waku aboa no etwa ne tie de aka ya homa enti wahebi enti expectation is say baby economy na duro no de di kan yeda se ba yeda asia ebi yeden emre biem enye se Oliver Twist sebi you're asking for more no because you feel say why you be paying na mpanifo si de onim to ne de gina akyempo an enti onto aso na onyema ne nye krabehwe na ene owura Ato Forson de
economy ne ho hyehyɛ ne nneɛma ne bi akɔto mmarahyɛ badwafo ani.
Yes.
Ebi na mete sɛ
Afenyo Markin.
Akwe friend is
Alexander Afenyo Markin.
Odiboyeni. Afenyo keka bia obobobo ho sensem. NDC omo enemies. The NDC is their own enemies. Na Aremeyaw say adwuma de sabi sese abeye record ena sese ye mane ye nananom nyina fun nti sese obia hu se kwan wei ena aban wei di afa so ena kwan wei na aban a waba enso so di e fa so nti sabi enye obi na besi churododo amatoa because obia hu se John Mahama aban wo de ne toto Akufo Addo ade ho aban ne ho a sese wo didi John Mahama atem
Asamom.
Oh yes, it's an insult. It is said the Obusa say Mobutu ne Rawlings. Why na ye papa? What I say?
Okay.
So obi enim the Mobutu here. And obi enim the Rawlings and so
yeah.
And to the Rawlings go to Mobutu ho na just say asa opeso didi Rawlings atem. Because Rawlings sebi when you train Panama we. What I say?
Yes.
Enti why be? Na yada se bi mu abiem on the economy. Ebio aboso ba nso na magyae den epaye. Bo se na Ura Mahamadu ma Ghana fo a omugbo twi di na chi no. The song that they couldn't sing say Rollins kokko ntino omo ntimi anfa ne kokko na eno mo de to nyum say na Ghana for ya dwe say Yesu Kristo oye kokko tino na mo fe Rollins Junior Jesus. Okay, no say do something before you die.
Na what you say Yesu onye kokko
me pa cho debatable me hwe me tuntumi pa na say Yesu Yankopon ba no na Yankopon na mu so obo me se ne se so a na wo wani kosua na ehye mu no de ni hu ade white ni hu ade ana say black ni hu ade so to me kata white ni nyina na white black ni hu ade sa na ene mrofo ne tie bibini ne hu bibi e wo wiase bia bibini ne hu bibini bibi e wo wiase bia bibini na ye broni ne de ye tie ne say obo bibini ne ho ban keke asa sa na wani kosua Nyankopon pese o chelse wani kosua no
enti Yesu ye bibini
Yesu Nyankopon na mo ye bibini
Nyankopon na ga say
omo na eye deformity nti omo ye kokko
mati yankwa
na onu die ma Ghana fo botwi di Bawumia Campaign chi enye so bo keke na ne ye bo MPP fo say omo ya amamboye fo ebi ni say omampani one minua Kwabena and ye interview bi no sani Kofi Addo man so ye interview.
Okay,
so that time no na the traditional media no che say unim na ko interview omampani na asempa
Saturday former president.
Yes,
yeah. Okay,
na ade Nyankopon ebo ya ebu anipa na esa ha nipa refie tie na nanum tai kase atiye
ema refie
ema John Mahama masa asemi bi man abrabo mu da on kai se ye de ye no eye ne ya eno man kofo ne de ye no ohini o sofo bia wotu le fu se onya man nke bia no on peni man yi oye man boyeni so yo ohia oye man boyeni oye sofo oye man boyeni
obi a wotu president
enka sa ka Yesu me emphasis wo ba bia Yesu twa ba no.
Okay,
why plan the preaching forgiveness tell Yesu? Why the preaching forgiveness tell Yesu? Ghana ye Nyankopon man enti on function adwunu say sofo bia ba nanim so ba be ka kire ni say facha wo mo a bisasa de na Yesu afa nche wo mo a no mo botacha wo ni papa sorry dem
no dey ababo
on fan na quotation asofo bia ba wo be ka kire no
let bygones be bygones no eye kasa eye amaboyefo and adwene saa. And I don't think John Mahama Yamaboyini far from that. Far from that. But it do baby the pain in some of us when they say can entry ni na ho dia kan ankwase ni nkuno. Abo na entry akwase apofo eje bonum bi. O say abo ni di nachi na ankwase ni nachi John wo di nachi John ene mayanka. Entry ho din niam sabi o mane na ba ko so a na ankwase ni be kwakọ tena obetra takwakọ akọ apisi amani.
Won kan ha
o mane na so won kan ha no o pega ne nan abo na hwe no to wo na nkwase ni a na nkwase fuoyi e na afenyo gina ho a woke kan kwase asemi hwe nkwase de o ma fo mumu ba discuss economy on my way because John Mahama is the most lenient president and it has been his weakness.
Omni moral right be as
they have no moral right to discuss economy in this country. No one, not one. Sanya NDC me yo moa bon samwa. Wo ye omoa NDC for na na ye omoa ho a. Kan pipi ni nia no. So bie na no say Ghana ha ye ka economy asem o ka bi. Na mo hwe mamboe ni amokofa no ma ni bedi o ma ye ni fie nwotwe. Wo ba ne nsema no wo ka. Se me kwa akofa Bawumia ono na se bi Nyankopon di wiase nansa nyina ase ni trim
mi nyina ase ni trim
unqualified post of vice president presidential candidate party ne so dey wave bra because we need denti afa obaya economy ni da baabi ene ono so te baabi amachi de denim da
obechi dollar wo krom ha wo kan me nyina te ya wodikini ma
ene 17
so the other winjire mu bai
ene 17 say why there
COVID Russia Ukraine war ni nyina wo se ka ho ana ma ni ma pega
say your baba be say I don't want to be infuriated. I will hold it. Na say Bawumia no mu ne record ye ne da ommo na power no ntie woni dem. We are obrani to say power say match de kan. Obo ani na ye oda sadam ye chi na bia ka chi na do so. Economy ntin ye ko fa ne bai. Shall they track record? And then people Gina Ghana for him economy. Eka mebule ni adwuma asem e wo Ghana ha. When private sector mu gu no ho ya na ni brebre Akufo Addo busua ani brebre afo. Mu gu private sector ma wo won huma kese a wo ya adwuma nyina. Afekwa de na mu ni mutimi the tax officers eko gina wo so. Mu no mu nya adwuma npo na chese o ma nya mfaso na mu nya bi. Esi wo ma we mu. Companies be now follow up. Ebi ni dwane kwotena Togo ekoye adwuma. Shoprite ni na guye game ewai. Omu wie no mu do musika ko se Malcolm. Ntia no pe. Ntia Malcolm ti omo ma kemira ye ngu no. Omu gu no. Shoprite way. Ye ka economy asem. A bank a government that was making other people's businesses run bankrupt.
UT Bank.
FOD up. Banks are who do good or my when one man get three. They can economy asem. Omu timi dina omu na so parliament. Oni failure, oni shame. MPP ni oni shame.
Osi NDC amako Kweku ya 4 haircuts.
Yo.
Afenyo Markin.
Say the abani eka. I said President Mahamadu timi self spending edi. Now Randy that's what the office. Subs can I can want something was on my small than I saying
85 million Ghana cedis.
Compare it to 350 million. Compare it to 100 million. And then say Milani they are their own enemies. It's painful.
Now me Adama Friday, what are your expectations?
My expectation is say
no.
Onye reshuffle. Enemy ya.
One.
kind state of the nation we are an reshuffle statement meto abonten also a reshuffle ade ebinim mu appointees no enima ni ebinim mu adwuma
this ifo ni nyina mpo bebre also account apart from
bebre ni adwuma ebeto omo okwan obi wo a office koko ye bofra na ye football derby onim adwuma ebio my expectation is say I will say aban emani ye nse say if you no kro we appoint o we ye hwan o o phone call no so we ni time ade be fa call na pe obi ne fa phone no ma no enu tina pesa ko for time me wo your first special aid I had green you because the old casa bien no nim se na chiachia phone call na bi ni mo fa no emwa because feedback is very key here on mampani yade bi nans enene nansa but TV ho na TV na ma sorry me say he's a different man. John Mama he's the only difference between MPP and NDC. Yes, he has shortcomings, he has shortfalls, he has his flaws, his own flaws. Oyenipa hwese John Mahama say private sector for me mehia me na me de ye boshe anya boshe ne keke na feedback we here say ma bebu man fie afi baako ene kakra my feedback is saying send your economy me koma mo the person tie mo ano only the first mampania ana obi a wopa mampania dia otumi ga eba Ghana for anim say Ghana for me na me ba besom na pani okoni ni wefuo mu a ni wura na tell me say doha ne doha enya pani ni na beka tell me wura say ni wura me kwamba ko fu na me ko doha. The first person to me yes Abiano. And you see, I like him so much so that Oya from straight me have me papa. Because he's the only reason why MPP and this no the difference. And it is so you seem to ba it me similar to the point say any questions say John Mahama buy when seem to bem because we bapping with the experience at hand you know. Any question and your man kitten sure. Everybody bana ko me ni kwa so ya yonkosam hwe otufo so ya oni na mi oni papa oni adamfo se na be ya obetimi aka no kura nim enti se ni nua no kura na ya mfu so ka wanim straight sa na wo se do ma be evu kaboni anim. Don't let your appointees take you for granted. With the way I think say call accountability hopefully say I'm hurt. He's being too lenient. Yes, I'm really hurt. I thought he had changed. He has not changed. He is too much of a lenient figure. It's not helping him. It's not helping his government. He should crack the whip. There are so many square pegs in round holes. So many of them. Mamumet left you know who send a reserve player Afenyo. There are so many brainy intellectuals are NDC wa MPP Libi. And you know, fill in the gaps. NAPO kuwa yangupo fani currency. London, near friend, mind the gap, because there are so many gaps that need filling. The gaps need filling.
Okay.
And you know, back to what I'm saying, they say, my expectation is obey reshuffle. They told you be my expectation ba kusa ne say obema sa grassroots for na omo abemu ebu no ebri abemu ebu because essentially be a day mint minka omo expectation about the Mahama government no folly no you say he has started well, he has done well, but they expect more of him. Because on say mama by we no say feli Ghana for democracy na gu
onu aka president akasaka
gu
yeah waka
entino any I will still re-emphasize that point. When you say oye lenient
ehunmo bro no edoso
say unu ni pesua on asema me kan no ebe ne den pa nanso so no minim say when you be a say o crack hwepa on hwenachi
okay
on hwenachi
at least
you must opa oye hwan opa oh Julius Kazimbi I say that will be the timer why do you say when the president ya down for so or friend kra o friend kra won fa and our friend be say catch us say ko ha
go here
o be koni o letter da ho ko don my way makano baby na message timi biem say to the extent that your man to me so my man penny na say me na pokumpo and I did to me man penny man just one day atadwe mate denne me me come kura me fancy
ka be ho bi
o me yemi ho bi papa na o ko fie sa me sa me man penny dada afi na me ko he dan yakọ rente o ni papa aburo ni mitrim boni ni mitrim na ni pesu no and our man for taking it for granted. You should learn how to crack the whip. So Bible quotation I will say a man. Baby I used to train pray no. Not the piano postoria. When you unbehave like Jesus. No one funny say Ghana the church. No on cracking whip.
This justice, this pay your prosecution. Na bibia timi atoto na kwam or pass government official to say MPP or metrum say entimi amma so copy 2028 na bia excellency the president John Dramani Mahama o si forma e betimi anya impact bi e wo NDC
asase ekro anya impact
o samu
negatively yes it's dwindling the trust, the fortune, the hope. Ama bibi ama Ghana fo cry green you say enkofu mo boy game. Oh yes.
Omo nyina aye the same
thing. Yes. I have abekronsa. And on the bro of your friend match of the matchness. Match of a matchness. Omo ye pe.
Scratch my back, let me scratch your back.
So wo de yencho because of bi aba be catch say emi yencho ti Jáil. Ohini bi atutuntuma abeka se yenya oti Jáil. Yanto aba mo ohini yanto aba masofo.
It's Obama president.
To make us a quotation say obi she da first quotation no enseme me we fika kra. Mark 11:13. Na mo me kan no fa mo mampani. Say Yesu po Yesu onyankopon le ba otwe aba. He should learn how to crack the whip. He should learn how to crack the whip. Kofo ye dream. Na pokunku akọ kai and I open the bia pese ye and abemi nya scandal. Omo ye nipa. Mum yanka boni anim na omo nya sabi aso abofo. Omo ye nipa. Some people for e fa fu soldiers nyansa echi omo panifo animu a ekebi anke no mda so abem. Enti sa obi appointee no ye boni a na pokuko kan mo mimi o se na monchi na bo so say o pani ye ni enti eni enam sana obia ye n'adwuma obeni crowding enya won say afi baako ya enya scandal so say they are struggling koko ade ya wukan na ka randi oni asembia o ko ni asembia da e ka obi entimi ko dia ba bi say yenyi randi edida because wo kura na wo ton $10,000 no wo di mu ohamu chichemu aduasa mienu 32% of the $10,000 and I would demand We want to order $10,000. One pump, we could have money fertilizer, one money chemical, one yes, Shama Pianino. Now, we didn't eat me now, Namukasa. Now, you only papa, okay, 1 or 2 minutes. The papa, no, what can 1 or 2? It's a net, you say, we can't do my abundance, and you would your car 1 or 2 Bukasia. What can 1 or 2 mamma say, or no, we didn't know, or but there was a war by any. Or no, a book, you need fast soon. Yeah, $10,000. Make out your own 10 million. No, Mac, you need 50,000. Your friends say 5,000. Make a creating system is come on 50% of the FOB price. Wow, man. Saudi panel, we will buy our clock chrono. It's a ne. What, money?
No wings.
Hey, yo. Listen, me case is just a man cheering now one day. Men cheer a boy and cheer, Sankoni now one day and can move and why you move. Uncle Bell was so a man. Pushing look at car. Then 40 women couldn't manage him. Never go away quotation in Menya had the amount. A Mark 11:15 to a 19. Or say, Jesus arrives in Jerusalem, enters the temple courts, and drive out those buying and selling, overturning tables of the chamber. Prophet Nigel. Praise God. Obunyina send quotation. Hey, aso for wow. Aso for you. Oh wow. Kum chacha. Wow. Enti wa said you wo kai no. We aso dem na. Ebi ton no. Wo twa ba de pamo. Wo munyina ekwo. Never 1 minute na ye de AC no. What expectation na wo bobo so wanwie. Wo kan your friend saying wo bo the agric sector. The expectation of agric sector. Okay. Who say, but who's agric minister? Yenoma Bibre. Yes. But to say me say me person me queer. Processes na ye di queer no. Any the business we Ghana ha no. Yes. I was say o man peniti ni nya one stop shop say uwa ha. Whatever you need about agric, I will say winner. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.